Hi, I'm Kim Frye. I am in Ohio, pretty much the middle of Ohio. I'm like an hour north of Columbus, and it's pretty agricultural and kind of like pretty much middle of nowhere. I'm from Mount Vernon, a small town. I came back um, to my hometownish area. My family still lives in Mount Vernon. Technically I live out in Gambier, sort of like more in the middle of nowhere. Here I still teach biology and environmental science. Teach now for a small technical school called Central Ohio Technical College. It's connected to Ohio State and the land grant system. And that's what I do part time. Also, for that college, I take care of the teaching lab, and I kind of prepare all the labs for all the science classes. So that kind of keeps me busy 20 hours a week. And then the other 20 hours, I work for a nonprofit I started with a small group of people involved in our local school district, where we do therapeutic gardening. The three additional things about me that I do a lot of watercoloring. I paint about once a day. Um, Here's today's painting. I've got a website and it's kind of connected, probably not very well and updated, but it's supposed to be connected to like an Etsy site. And so I'm also, the second thing about myself is that I'm really into cooking. Just because it started in college to be like this thing you have to like keep comes up every day, right? Because you got to eat. So I just decided to embrace it. And one of the ways I'm trying all these meal prep kits and stuff. I'm doing a lot of like see HelloFresh and Every Plate, Blue Apron, which is like super expensive, I think. And try something with the new year, something different. I'm going to try this Misfits Market. There's like ugly fruits and vegetables for discounted prices. And the other thing about me is that sometimes part time, I when I get really busy, I work for this local apothecary. And the go wee bit of a secret. I'm the little gnome in the back, like stuffing the tea bags. Sometimes I get to make perfume, make teas, like make up the actual mixture of the teas, and I get to learn. I'm taking the class because I wanted some formal training to go with my nonprofit to support what we're already doing, and to hopefully support the grants that we're on right now, but I'm really hoping that sort of brings us in and opens our the possibilities for what we can do for job creation through grants. The plant I'm going to introduce is a spiderwort. This one is Tradescantia pallida, purpurea, purple queen, people call it. I like to use it because it makes really good cuttings. So that's nice with beginners, easy culturing. And then I like to use it because it's really good on the microscope. Not only is it purple, which is a nice pigment addition to chlorophyll, the thick cuticle, get this good snap, just kind of push it up, and I get these really, really good jagged edges. That will be a really thin culture that will allow light to come through, and hopefully we'll be able to see some organelles like cell walls and chloroplasts and stomata. So I'm going to throw a piece on the stage, and I'll switch over to the view from my iPhone, and we'll see what we can see. So I'm a little limited in that I forgot to grab a microscope slide, and but what we can see here, again, really easy cell walls, like wow. And there's this stomata action right there. Here is a stoma. It's closed. Kind of like half, or maybe just starting to open. Our stoma closed. Hopefully that was worth it, and you enjoyed a sneak peek into the microscopic world, some of my favorite views of life. And I'm hoping to watch your videos and get to know you guys better along the way.